Welcome back. It's still the Van Rap Radio. Ndangazina ndiduka ndiswana ndingwana ndiwa mahungoni. Ndilaftanu if I being having all the fun. Sasa niba divazone we did publish, we did say uri Makhadzi udivasa ku perform ngezwi godini ndiyambange ya Beria Madzonga ka show ine ya kwambo ine yabori ndi survival of corona with Makhadzi. Chuniyo chincha kadhola musiro sukera wana mulaedza kana sukera fedza ri wana post yawe ine muna ku posta ko confirm muri hai so zvino udova ningi zvozudzanye mapungo ala ne avoite ne ala sokoro jinso kazi posta susunguzudzanye hai uzozudzanye zvo zvino osvika une yavori zvamuri mbadelo na mini zvote zvizvo zvikotodeya hai votanganyisa vodzudzanya ridiva ri kumuvona achikuperforma anenge so khala machero arali angavori ni hone hanepo around khala venda ni tsini ni angakonotuwa nanavona gombakomba ndikomba gombakomba ene Makhadzi ndiyamba muthu ane yavori ndiyani ne yavori kutrenda ndiyani ne vathu vote vosedza ene dubva chela mulova sana namusi dzikuvuya nga manda hotakaliwa kupembeliwa Mwana Mokongo are part of this whole thing. Mwana Mokongo are part of this brand new album. So I want to about history. It does put on the launch album. So if you haven't bought the album, make sure you go get the album and pay to go get the album. And then it's combined. Got it on my iTunes, got it on the laptop, I got it on the computers. Now you're not going to buy minutes last season. Yeah. Audio manager. Yeah, man. We also have it on our audio manager in our controller these whole screens around us. Connect to computers zote. Urinamsa venda kuna access music washu. So ndizwezo auna zwingo doko difana ka Van Rap Radio chikukanda ziko difana bango wazo chitoto sina mzinga wabo basi na bari vanrapradio@gmail.com and another social media zabo. Yeah, so ukwamba zozore ene udobo aningi ako performer mapungo shanduka achafana halani ndingadombera zori mapungo ananga kutonga watu mini Caroline Munyai ezo sako semana ka social media watu bashu ai man asizwabudi man arthonifane we know obongwa razwi is because over asingumiko away come on. I remember I contacted her to confirm, even though didn't manage to get hold of her. But Richie check around. I don't know if Romeo now knows about it, because now Romeo was a good diva about this performance. Morocco the one poster. I hope now the was out mapungo. Abonaye, Africa Nevori, Wakompa poster, Zozania, whose chain of he, Nendosoko Genesiwa, Nenanga with the Pizori. Ara was doing an album one, Bako Taira, the Ababuzango, Bako Tuchurangam Dipone Uko Sindangamanda, and Dukamban Ringo. Even though my brother just called me like, yo, dude, hey, make sure we are for Chisikai, Mushumo, Randa, Parco album, Henoni, Ricosinda, making sure phone your data, making sure everything is prepared to pop and goes Rigodori Tita. Just make sure that you're part of the generation that is celebrating each other. And the community does not also go to guys, venda rofarana, humwe, shangoli mwana lingwe culture mwana ngwe ndira zawo zine basa kufunga zo wangu zukwine upira zo bangu. Rineria renga music na wangwe renga music, but not everybody buys music. That's one thing in the zone. So zote zono ngori buzori wa venda wango farana. If ini songo farana na wangwe batu, don't think wango wango farana. Rinero farana, we love each other, we celebrate each other, we hustle, we push this whole bullshit and the good thing together. Gauri rufunuru vambironi artu batangana nge machero Beria Madzonga batangana wasiko waboni Makhadzi achiko performer odako performer most of the brand new hit songs zinaza waribone as the wetla zuya hura wachirifu munani mngana wangaya abakusokodwa amba mutu ase note everybody got the issue out there ndikulibwa ngamanda katike zona tozangongwana neyone subscribe, like, comment and share ne I'm out of here. It's a Friday, baby. Let's have some fun. Yes, I'm not doing it.
Every day's a celebration. They can never stop us. Bangasi for my get to Faras Kalam Key.
Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard. Teenage being a chami dambo. The Tiba Zwenda Dera Chingo Data Zwami Shasho.